Alright, so now it's finally time for me to actually switch my SIM from my Note 9 into my OnePlus. I haven't been using it, but the battery has been remarkable. You know, obviously it's on standby, but still. I have a lot of apps. I use my phone pretty fiercely, so I just wanted to make sure everything was set up. I didn't want to miss any work stuff, and I don't want to carry two phones. So I waited till I had some time to calmly deal with this stuff. So now I'm gonna take my SIM out of here and put it in here, and also have no problem with my Note 9. It's been pretty extraordinary. This is that carbon black back, carbon fiber back, and you can see it gets like hand sweat on it, but not really fingerprint. And then we got this is the Note 9 with the Nimbus case, which I like a lot. Yeah, I don't think I'll. So here's what I'll do just to be clear. So I'm in my house, not on Wi-Fi. I'm gonna run a speed test. Alright, I'm gonna run a speed test with my Note 9. And while we're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and power this guy down. Here. So you can see pretty good speeds with the Note 9 on T-Mobile in my house, in my basement in Kentucky. I travel for work. A lot of my I never have any problems with T-Mobile. Well, I've had it in 2 tiny towns, I guess, but I've had like 60 flights this year, so or almost 60. So I'm about to hit platinum on American Airlines, which is pretty fresh. And I've never had any problems, right? Or, well, 2 cities I've had problems, and they were teeny tiny towns that are not something I would go to on a regular basis. All right, so 39.8 and 719, and then on the. Let me take the SIM card here out. I've already powered it down. I'm going to take the SIM card out. It's not the same tool that came with it, just one I have laying around. They all should essentially do the same thing. As you can see on the T-Mobile one, it's only got 1 tray, no micro SD card, just a SIM, nothing else. Alright, so let me power this guy off. Samsung always has kind of a cool screen here. And the good thing is, I'm not going to have to take out my micro SD card. I mean, that's because this one doesn't have one, but it's nice just being able to leave that in my Note in case I want to go back to my Note. So you can see. I always use a Samsung micro SD card. This one's pretty solid. Alright, and I'm also going to connect my watch. Let me put this card in first, I guess. So there are some words on here. This side up. And so it fits in there nicely. And flies out, apparently. Alright, we're gonna power this guy on. So here you can see definitely Wi-Fi calling works. Let me clean this guy up real quick. Alright, shined him up a little bit. Alright, we're going back in our case here. And let me run a speed test. I don't have that app installed. I'm going to turn my Wi-Fi off. Alright, so we're going to install this. I'm just on Wi-Fi. Not on Wi-Fi, I'm on 4G. You can see that up there. Open it. we're just gonna see. I mean, ideally I should get the same, roughly the same speeds, because this one also has the band 71. So yeah, it's like we're in the same ballpark, which is good. Maybe more, right? But again, the random testing, I generally get pretty good speeds in the city, so there's nothing surprising here. This seems about what I would expect. Somewhere in that ballpark range. There's going to be some variances, of course. Alright, so that's good.